Now, understand the difference between a factory owner and a factory worker. And sorry if you work in a factory, this is just an analogy for today's purposes, yeah? A factory owner, something happens to, let's say a factory worker, something happens to their job. What happens in their life? Do bills get paid? No, something happens to their job, they lose it, or they get sick for six months. Do bills get paid? No. Yeah, because they can't work. Well, a factory owner, the factory keeps going even if something happens in their personal circumstances. And when we talk about financial freedom, what we are saying is, can life events happen, no matter what it is, but my life as I know it can still actually go on. So a factory worker can look very good. In fact, most of the time, factory owners look like factory workers. Yeah? The hype wants a big car, a flashy life, but most factory owners look like factory workers because they know what they're building. They have a vision and they have a strategy. But a factory worker, what they do is take that money and build other people's factories all the time. So you earn your money wherever it comes from.